You might be surprised to know that a standard American household uses over 2,000 pounds of towels in a year, resulting in a staggering environmental impact. That's roughly 1-2 pounds of towels per person per day, accounting for an estimated 11% of global textile waste. As an American, you're likely among the top consumers of towels, with the average person using around 20-30 towels per year. But have you ever stopped to think about the impact of your towel usage on the environment, not to mention your wallet? The truth is, most of us have no idea how much money we're wasting on towels each year. And it's not just a matter of aesthetics. Towels are a necessary item, but their manufacturing and disposal processes have a significant ecological footprint. From the harvesting of cotton to the dyeing and finishing processes, every stage of towel production contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and water pollution. In fact, the production of just 1 kilogram of towels requires around 300 liters of water, which is enough to fill a small swimming pool. But it's not just the production process that's the problem. It's also the way we use and dispose of towels that's contributing to the issue. The average towel is washed around 300-400 times before it's eventually discarded, with most ending up in landfills or incinerators. And did you know that the majority of towels are made from 100% cotton, which is a resource-intensive crop that requires significant amounts of water and pesticides to grow? However, there is a better way to approach towel usage, and it starts with understanding the true cost of your towel habits. By making a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your towel consumption and do your part for the environment. For instance, you can start by using a microfiber towel, which can absorb up to 7 times its weight in water, making it a more efficient and effective option. You can also try using a towel sharing system, where multiple family members share a single towel, or use a towel sanitizer to extend the life of your towels. Additionally, consider switching to eco-friendly towels made from bamboo or recycled materials, which have a lower environmental impact than traditional cotton towels. By implementing these simple changes, you can reduce your towel consumption by up to 50% and save money in the process. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that the towel industry is worth over $10 billion annually in the United States alone? That's a staggering figure, and it highlights just how deeply ingrained our towel habits are in our daily lives. And yet, despite the industry's size and scope, there's still a lack of awareness about the true cost of towel production and disposal. In fact, most people have no idea that the average towel requires around 1,000 liters of water to produce, which is enough to fill a small tank. But it's not just the water usage that's the problem, it's also the chemicals and dyes used in the manufacturing process that are harming the environment. For example, did you know that many towels are treated with a chemical called formaldehyde, which is known to cause respiratory problems and cancer in humans? However, there are steps you can take to mitigate the impact of your towel usage and reduce your exposure to these chemicals. One way is to opt for organic or natural towels, which are made without the use of harsh chemicals and dyes. You can also try using a towel sanitizer, or washing your towels in cold water to reduce the amount of chemicals used in the manufacturing process. Additionally, consider supporting companies that prioritize sustainability and use eco-friendly materials in their products. By making these simple changes, you can not only reduce your towel consumption, but also do your part for the environment and promote more sustainable practices. And did you know that there are even some countries where towels are not commonly used at all? For instance, in many Asian cultures, it's customary to use a hand towel or a small cloth to dry the body after bathing, rather than a large towel. Minimalist this approach to towel usage and cultural shift, prioritizing towards using smaller sustainability towels, has a significant impact on the environment, reducing waste and conserving resources. So, what can we learn from these cultural differences, and how can we apply them to our own lives? One key takeaway is the importance of being mindful of our consumption habits and considering the true cost of our choices. Minimalist this approach to towel usage and cultural shift, prioritizing towards using smaller sustainability, we can make a significant impact on the environment. In fact, studies have shown that reducing towel consumption can lead to a significant decrease in greenhouse gas emissions and water pollution. But that's not all. Reducing towel consumption can also save you money and reduce your reliance on resource-intensive crops like cotton. So, how can you start reducing your towel consumption today? One simple step is to switch to a microfiber towel, which can absorb up to 7 times its weight in water, making it a more efficient and effective option. You can also try using a towel sharing system, where multiple family members share a single towel, or use a towel sanitizer to extend the life of your towels. Additionally, consider supporting companies that prioritize sustainability and use eco-friendly materials in their products. By making these simple changes, you can significantly reduce your towel consumption and do your part for the environment.
And it's not just the environment that benefits from reducing towel consumption, you can also save money and reduce your reliance on resource-intensive crops like cotton.
So, what are you waiting for? Start reducing your towel consumption today and join the movement towards a more sustainable future. Why, if you found this informative, subscribe for more practical tips and financial advice on how to live a more sustainable lifestyle. Like and comment below to let us know what changes you're making to reduce your towel consumption, and share your favorite eco-friendly towel brands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and financial advice on how to live a more sustainable lifestyle.